We doing math today. Ain't got time for no games. We doing math today. All work and no play. We doing math today.
Hey guys, change that question to how many stations did bike ID 710 started from? So I loaded up, searched bicycles, put on higher, and then from higher, you can do the details. That's the name, copy and paste. And then if you want to start a new query, open up a tab and did this, or you can just press the plus sign. I did start underscore station underscore name. Don't forget the comma if you're doing two conditions. And then I wanted the start station, so it's there. And then bike underscore ID. So I want bike underscore ID equals 710. And then my answer is 4,543. 4,453. Okay, we haven't learned about this yet, but if you add the word, if you go under a query, you'll notice that if you just scroll through, it went to this start station Norton Fulgate, and so basically he or she started there twice, correct? So we haven't learned this, but if you add the word distinct, so this means that the stations are never repeated. So the answer would be 798 if we had distinct stations. Okay, for the next question, how many bike IDs have ended is my keyword, ended. So that's going to be my end station. Don't forget to add the comma. So select all capitals, enter, tab. You don't have to. Bike ID. And then from, we copied from here. And then the where is our end station. Space equals space apostrophe, and open up those two more space street comma space Soho. Now when it's a name, not a number, put it into the apostrophe and then you press run and you'll get a big number. $214,095. Okay, so then if you add the word distinct, you'll get 24,998. Okay, so I ran my query for the question about station ID for Canton Street Popular, and I went back to cycles higher. And if you click on through, I have details, you can even get a preview, and you'll notice that the preview has start station IDs are not there. Okay, so let's try the other cycle stations. Okay, so I clicked on stations, details, copy and paste. Okay, so I did start station ID and start station name. So if you go back here, you go to the preview, you have the name and the ID. So start station name, Canton Street Popular, and then I see that it's always this number, 22175 or 487. Okay, so for my select, I have start station ID and start station name. And this time, the ID is a number, a numerical, it's an integer. So I type in 111, no apostrophes there, and then you get the answer of Park Lane, Hyde Park. Okay, so now I'm going the last question, bike underscore ID duration, and then under duration, trips that are greater than 2400 seconds. So if I look under durations, I think it's under minutes, seconds, so it's just seconds. Or 40 minutes.
Mr. Ink,
Yeah.
the push pin.
Okay, sometimes you can go into a artificial intelligence and actually copy and paste yours. So this is what I wrote for mine. And then it can pick up what you're trying to do, and it'll actually, I wanted to do an advanced feature which we're using count. So you can actually copy and paste this. And again, count is a unique one. Okay, I recognize that ours doesn't have duration because I can go back here and look at the preview, and ours is called just duration. So I delete this, cancel. Okay, this was a hard answer to get, but 31,638.
Thou shalt not divide by 0.
I love math.